In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get shattered gold on the XR-3 Ion sniper rifle here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is by far the dumbest looking sniper rifle I think we've ever seen in a Call of Duty game. I'm going to be honest with you. But here's how you can get shattered gold on it quickly. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up that gunsmith and go over to the customize tab and go into this camo section right here. Go specifically to the multiplayer camo, and these first 9 camos right here are essentially just going to be your one-shot kills here with the XR-3 Ion. Now this is kind of a weird weapon. It is a burst. So this one is a little bit tricky, I'm not going to lie. Essentially, the method is the same for all of these sniper rifles. What you're going to want to do is play domination, aim towards B zone, and as people are running in to claim B zone, go ahead and start getting your one-shot kills here. Once again, this one is tricky. It's a burst. There's not really any real way to get around that, I'm going to be honest with you. And this is probably going to be the one challenge throughout this entire camo grind that takes you the most amount of time. I'm apologizing in advance for Treyarch and for Activision, but the method is still just staying in domination, aiming towards B zone and getting those one-shot kills. Moving on to the special camos though, we got Diamondback for the first one. This one is essentially 15 long shot medals. Now luckily this is not one shot, so it's actually better than the previous 80 kills that you're going to have to get, but essentially the exact same method. Go back, aim towards B zone in domination and get those long shot kills pretty quickly. It's only 15. It's not too bad. For the Raptor challenge, you have to get 50 eliminations without any attachments equipped. This one is a little tough just because this gun isn't the most strong weapon in the entire world, and it's got a little bit of a kick, which is a little bit annoying. But it's only 50 kills, so it's not too bad. The method is the exact same. For mainframe, this is 2 kills without reloading 10 times. This is super easy. I don't understand why this is the last challenge, but you can knock this one out pretty quickly. Just make sure that you're not reloading until after you get 2 kills and do the exact same method of sitting back, aiming towards B on domination, and you'll knock this out quickly. Finally, for the shattered gold one, it's 3 kills without dying 10 times. This is the same thing for every shattered gold camo. This is super easy to do. The method is the exact same. Play domination, aim towards B zone, get people as they're running in, just don't die, stay farther back. Shattered gold is super easy on all of these snipers. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.